Hey there, welcome back to demjaboyz. Today in a short video, we will discuss how to care our teeth in a zap. Please leave a like, a comment, a subscribe, and ensure you share this with your loved ones. The ingredients needed are baking soda and of course hydrogen peroxide. The baking soda, which improves oral health, protects the teeth from corrosive food ingredients such as lemon juice. It is used in toothpaste and mouthwash. Go get it now. Hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria causing bad breath. It also helps with teeth whitener, and it can also be served as a toothpaste. How to move from this to this? Combine 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and gently brush your teeth with the mixture. Limit the use of this homemade paste to a few times per week, as overuse can erode your tooth canal. So okay guys, that is all from us today at demjaboyz. Please remember to leave a like, a share, and of course a comment, and please remember to subscribe guys. We can't do without your subscription. Thank you very much.